Cyclist is dead after a crash in Colorado Springs. It's new information on breaking news we told you about at 5. Police say it happened around 4 o'clock this afternoon near the intersection of Airport Road and Shelton Road. That's in the city's southeast side. The area was closed, but just reopened in the last hour. Police say the driver heading east on Airport tried to make a left turn, hitting the motorcycle. Investigators say today's nice weather means more motorcyclists are out.
Just paying attention and realizing that those motorcyclists try to get out on the road as often as they can.
You see, the investigation is still ongoing tonight.